Tom, you look very serious today. What is going on?
Mom, I have English homework again.
Oh, really? What is it about this time?
I have to describe my house in English.
That sounds nice. I like this topic.
I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, we will talk about it together.
Thank you, Mom. I feel better now.
So, your homework is to describe your house in English, right?
Yes, that's the topic.
Great. Before we start, we should not forget our viewers.
Oh, yes. If you enjoy learning English with us,
Please subscribe to My English Routine channel.
and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos.
You can also like this video and share it with a friend or your brother.
Yes, share it with someone who wants to practice English too.
Thank you so much. Okay, Tom, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. Tell me first, where do you live?
I live in a small house. It is near the city center.
Nice. Say that again like one small story.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center.
Very good. Can you add one more detail?
My house is white and blue.
Great. Now say everything together.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center. It is not very big, but it is comfortable. I live there with my parents and my little sister.
Excellent. That is already a good start.
Really? Wow!
Yes. Now let's talk about the rooms. How many rooms are there?
There are 5 rooms.
What are they?
There is a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom.
Very clear. Can you say it again smoothly?
There are 5 rooms in my house, a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom.
Perfect. Where do you spend most of your time?
I spend most of my time in the living room
Why?
because I watch TV there and I do my homework there.
That is honest.
Yes, sometimes I also eat snacks there.
Snacks? In the living room? Oh, wow.
Just small snacks, Mom.
I hope so.
I don't drop crumbs most of the time.
We will check later.
Oh no.
Now tell me everything again from the start until now.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center. It is not very big, but it is comfortable. I live with my parents and my little sister. There are 5 rooms in my house, a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. I spend most of my time in the living room because I watch TV there and do my homework there.
That is very good. Let's continue. Tell me about the living room.
The living room is bright and cozy.
What is inside?
There's a big sofa, a small table, and a television.
What color is the sofa?
The sofa is gray.
And the walls?
The walls are light yellow.
Nice. Do you like that room?
Yes, I like it because we sit there together in the evening.
That is lovely. Say it again with that detail.
The living room is bright and cozy. There's a gray sofa, a small table, and a television. The walls are light yellow. I like this room because we sit there together in the evening.
Very natural. Now tell me about the kitchen.
The kitchen is small but clean.
Who cooks there?
My mom cooks there.
Oh, really? Only your mom?
Sometimes Dad cooks, but he burns the food.
Hey!
Just a little bit.
I see how it is.
The kitchen has a big fridge, a stove, and a table.
Do you eat in the kitchen?
Yes, we eat breakfast there every morning.
Good. Now say everything from the beginning until the kitchen.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center. It is comfortable and not very big. I live with my parents and my little sister. There are 5 rooms in my house, a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The living room is bright and cozy with a gray sofa and light yellow walls, and we sit there together in the evening. The kitchen is small but clean, and we eat breakfast there every morning.
Excellent. You are speaking more smoothly now.
I feel more confident.
Good. Let's talk about your bedroom.
My bedroom is my favorite room
Why is it your favorite?
because it is my private space.
Nice expression. What is inside your bedroom?
There's a bed, a desk, and a small wardrobe.
What color are the walls?
The walls are light blue.
Do you have any decorations?
Yes, I have some posters of football players.
Of course you do.
And I have a small lamp on my desk.
What do you do in your bedroom?
I sleep, I study, and I sometimes play games on my tablet.
Only sometimes?
Okay, maybe many times.
I thought so.
But I also study, I promise.
I believe you. Say it in one clear paragraph.
My bedroom is my favorite room because it is my private space. It has a bed, a desk, and a small wardrobe. The walls are light blue, and I have posters of football players. I sleep, study, and sometimes play games there.
Very nice. Now tell me everything from the beginning until your bedroom.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center with my parents and my little sister. It is comfortable and has 5 rooms, a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The living room is bright and cozy with a gray sofa and light yellow walls, and we sit there together in the evening. The kitchen is small but clean, and we eat breakfast there every morning.
That sounds very good and clear.
Thank you, Mom.
What about the bathroom?
The bathroom is small but modern.
What is inside?
There's a shower, a sink, and a mirror.
Do you like it?
Yes, because it is always clean.
Always?
Well, almost always.
That sounds more true.
I brush my teeth there every morning and every night.
Good habit.
And I take a shower in the evening.
Perfect. Now tell me everything from the start until the bathroom.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center with my family. It is comfortable and has 5 rooms, a living room, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The living room is bright and cozy, and we spend time there together. The kitchen is small but clean, and we eat breakfast there. My bedroom is my favorite room with light blue walls and football posters. The bathroom is small and modern, and I brush my teeth and take a shower there.
Very clear. Now tell me about the outside of your house.
Outside, there is a small garden.
Oh, nice. What is in the garden?
There are some flowers and a small tree.
Do you play there?
Yes, I sometimes play football there.
In a small garden?
Yes, the ball often goes to the neighbor's yard.
I can imagine that.
But the neighbor is kind.
That is good.
We also have a small gate and a path to the door.
Very good detail. Now let me hear everything from the very beginning.
I live in a small white and blue house near the city center with my parents and my little sister. It is comfortable and has 5 rooms. The living room is bright and cozy with a gray sofa, and we spend time there in the evening. The kitchen is small but clean, and we eat breakfast there every morning. My bedroom is my favorite room with light blue walls, a bed, and football posters. The bathroom is small and modern, and I brush my teeth and take showers there. Outside, there is a small garden with flowers and a tree, and I sometimes play football there.
That is excellent, Tom.
Really?
Yes, you speak clearly and naturally.
I'm happy.
So after all that, how can you describe your house in 2 simple sentences?
My house is small but comfortable and full of love. It has 5 rooms and a small garden where I like to play.
That is beautiful. You can also say that your house is a happy place where your family spends time together.
My house is small but comfortable and full of love. It is a happy place where my family spends time together.
That is a wonderful description.
Thank you for helping me.
You did the work. I just listened.
I feel ready for my homework now.
I am very proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
And to everyone watching, keep practicing English every day.
Yes, practice a little every day.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And turn on the bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
You can also share this video with someone who wants to describe their house in English.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.